Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'm gonna be feeding Marlee these cucumbers. There she is, right down there. Oh, and yeah, another giant tree branch fell. It's not as big as the other one, so it's just a little one, you know. I'll show you all more after I feed her this. Hey, Marlee! There she is. Marlee, you're wrapped around the tree. Hold on, let me get you untangled. Come around this way. There you go. Is that a good cucumber? That good? So basically, guys, the reason I didn't film whenever I went to my cousin's house is, first of all, I forgot to, and that's the only reason, honestly. And while she is eating that, I'm gonna show you the tree. As you can see, it kind of just snapped. Which isn't bent, actually. Honestly, we can just chop this down and just take it out to the road. I don't know what we're gonna do about it. Hope y'all are having a nice day today. And yeah. I just ate Dairy Queen. Now people say Marlee is big, but she's not that big, she's just heavy. It's really not that big. She eats healthy. She eats carrots, cucumbers, and she eats peppers. Stuff's healthy. Pig food, also. And Marlee, she's a healthy little pig. So, the heck, what's in here? I want a fudge stripe cookie, please. Please? Please? Oh, and I'm filming on my iPad Mini 4, so it's 1080p. And one day, I'm gonna go in there one day, and I'm gonna film it. So, tell me how these graphics look compared to my iPad Mini 4. Sorry, I mean. pretty good. Hope y'all are having a nice day. Hope y'all are staying safe. Wash your hands at all times, and that's it. Hope y'all are having a nice day today. And as always, goodbye.